This 2012 Chevrolet Tahoe 4-doors 4-wheel drive 4-doors 1500 LTSU5 features a 5.3 L58, 8-cylinder gasoline engine. It is equipped with an automatic transmission. The vehicle is black with a not specified interior. It is offered with the remaining extended warranty -1 owner, dealer inspection. This Chevrolet is in seats AM/FM. Contact Internet Sales at 908-686-2800 or John at multiautomall.com for more information. www.multichevrolet. Call 908-686-2800.